Hello, hello, hello. My name is William Holland. I'm an artist illustrator who enjoys not only drawing geeky things from time to time and other OCs and sometimes, but also other things such as wrestling and comic book characters, different things like that that you'll see on my channel. I hope you not only enjoy that, but I hope you'll walk with me on this journey as you see a little bit of everything that I draw during this time. I like to dabble in geek, whether it's Star Trek related, Doctor Who related, Marvel related, or wrestling related. I illustrate and draw children's books as well as write them, and I hope you'll join me on this journey. I thank you so much, and now it's time for Drawing Time with Will.
Hey guys, this is Will with Drawing Time. Thanks, by the way, if you stayed with me for part of that, since it was mainly me showing you a meal that I cooked that was a low sodium chicken tortilla soup. If you want the recipe for it, message me or comment below, let me know, and I'll make sure to put the recipe in the actual thing. Anyway, just this real short, quick thing here, because for some reason this program I'm using to edit stuff doesn't seem to want to work well. By the way, that book talk at Taylor County Library this past Tuesday, so that's the picture there. But anyway, I'm just going to keep this really short because for some reason the audio doesn't want to work with me and let me record audio all the way through the rest of the video. So this is probably going to be me talking a little bit faster than normal. Anyway, this is Dana Ethic Washington. She's a street ball player who has to learn how to not only deal with being in an upper class school to help her play ball because her mom works really hard to get her into this school, but also has to deal with her mom getting cancer and having to really be there not only for her mother but also for her younger 6-year-old sister. And so this really is kind of a heart story, really telling a story about overcoming obstacles and everything. And I just wanted to let you guys see kind of what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out and let the rest of this video go with just the music. But I'm hoping this time next week I can figure out why the audio is not letting me hold for a while. I've been working on this for several hours trying to get this to work, and even last night. So anyway, guys, this is Dana Ethic Washington. She's a street baller who I hope is a cool character you'll love when the comic comes out. So anyway, guys, do me a favor. As always, be blessed, be a blessing for somebody, guys. Take care.